Over 60 and tired of swollen, heavy legs that turn every walk into a challenge? If you're nodding yes, listen up. There's a simple kitchen remedy that many seniors are using to boost circulation and reduce leg swelling fast. Picture this. You wake up, your ankles are puffy, and you're dreading stairs. Now imagine feeling noticeably lighter in just a few days after adding one easy drink to your routine. That's what I'm about to show you. After 60, circulation slows, vein valves weaken, and fluid pools in the lower legs, causing discomfort, heaviness, and those visible varicose veins. You don't need expensive creams or complicated routines. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal a natural science-backed drink made from common ingredients, how it works, and how to use it safely so you can start feeling better sooner. The remedy is simple: pure tart cherry juice, a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper, and fresh lemon juice. Don't let the simplicity fool you. Each ingredient pulls its weight. Tart cherries are rich in anthocyanins, antioxidant compounds that support blood vessel flexibility and reduce inflammation. Think of them as tiny helpers that keep your vessels springy. Cayenne pepper brings capsaicin, which promotes better blood flow by gently dilating vessels. Add just a whisper, not heat, that makes you cough. Lemon supplies vitamin C and citrus flavonoids that help strengthen vessel walls and support collagen repair. To prepare, pour 1 cup of 100% tart cherry juice, squeeze in half a lemon, stir in the tiniest pinch of cayenne until dissolved. Sip it slowly. Seniors often prefer it slightly chilled. If it's tart, mellow it with a splash of water. Quick caution: if you take blood thinners or have heart conditions, check with your doctor before starting new supplements or spicy ingredients. Here's why this works in plain terms. As we age, blood vessels lose elasticity, and the tiny valves that pump blood from the legs back to the heart can weaken. When valves underperform, blood pools in the calves and ankles, resulting in swelling and aching. Anthocyanins in tart cherries help support the cells lining vessel walls, improving flexibility so blood moves more easily. Capsaicin from cayenne triggers brief increases in circulation and encourages production of nitric oxide, the molecule that tells vessels to relax and widen. Lemon's vitamin C supports collagen synthesis, helping vessel walls stay strong over time. Expect to drink this twice daily, while morning and evening on an emptier stomach is ideal for absorption. Combine it with light leg elevation, gentle walking, or a few seated ankle pumps to synergize effects. Many people report feeling less heaviness within days and reduced swelling within 1 to 2 weeks. What to expect? Within the first week, you may notice legs feel lighter, less tight, and easier to move. Over 2 to 4 weeks, consistent use combined with modest activity often leads to less visible bulging of varicose veins and reduced edema. The capsaicin's boost in nitric oxide helps immediate blood flow, while anthocyanins and vitamin C work more gradually to repair and strengthen vessel walls. Stick with it twice daily for at least 2 weeks to judge results. Keep a simple journal. Note swelling, comfort, and mobility so you can track change. Safety reminder: if you're on blood pressure medication or blood thinners, consult your physician before starting the drink. Ready to give your circulation a natural lift? Start today with 1 cup in the morning and 1 in the evening. If this resonated, subscribe for more senior-focused tips. Hit like and share with a friend who needs better leg comfort, because after 60, you deserve solutions made for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.